Today we have a Maytag laundry center that's not giving us cold water, so we're going to turn the water off. We're going to go over here to this lower hose, that's the cold side, and we're going to use a pair of pliers to kind of loosen it and get it off. And we may find that in the screen there's a bunch of scale and crud that's built up over the years that's blocking it. If that doesn't cure it, then it's time for a new water valve. But this is a pretty quick and easy procedure. So you just loosen up that nut. You can sometimes do it by finger, or sometimes you need pliers to help you out. But once you get it off, a little bit of water will come out, and then you can use your fingers or a toothbrush to clean the screen that's on the inside and get some of that crud out. We can see there's a few rocks in there. So this one probably was not obstructed enough to cause a problem. It could just be that the water valve underneath has failed, and they're pretty easy to change. They're pretty cheap. So we're going to screw that back in, get it tight, and then we're going to take this whole washer and push it back in underneath the dryer, and then we're going to bring the side part of the frame at the bottom back in to hold on to the washer, and then we'll add the washer front panel back to lock it all together. This is pretty easy to do. So you could also check the hot water side while you're in there too, because sometimes they get plugged up. I'm actually going to put a steel sponge in this hole, as we found out this is where rodents were getting through and setting up a nest. So they don't like the steel wool, they don't like the steel sponges. That's a good way to stop them. So then it's just a matter of pushing the washing machine back in underneath the dryer, and once it's fully seated in there, you can put in those bottom side panels back into position, and then add the front panel back on, and then there's two Phillips head screws that hold on the bottom of the front panel, and then you're all done. To do that water valve is pretty easy. It's a part you can get easily online, probably about 20 bucks. And it's very accessible. So if you turn it on cold and you still hear like a humming sound, that'd be an indication that the water valve is just getting old, it's malfunctioning, and it's not opening all the way. When I tested it here though, going for cold for the wash cycle, it was able to fill up with water pretty fast, and it was nice and cold, so that did the trick. These are actually pretty good machines. They last a long time. So that did the trick though. We got the cold water, hot water, and warm water going. Hope that works for you too and get yours going. Thanks so much for watching. Please subscribe when you get a chance so we can send you some more appliance repair videos. Thanks again.